Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty end up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen, can't be touched by fire.
Low-key, all of them don't notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them.
I begin to. I begin to.
Yeah, I love this song, guys. Dumelang ditsala, gompieno ke tlile go vloga. Is this girl go TikTok ne yo? Her content is too much. Like her content is too much. Like sometimes she eats raw meat, she eats peri. Like yo guys, content even if Barak likes me. Like guys, now do such content for you guys, for the followers. Eat raw meat, eat makaka apudi. Yo guys, I'm gonna insert a video ya gagemo e1. You're gonna laugh.
Hi, ditsala. Gompieno ke tlile go just sniffy. Hi, ditsala. Gompieno ke tlile go nwa castor oil.
Anyways, morning guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Naomulo Isi. For those who don't know, if you are new to this channel, welcome, and if you've been here, you know what, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you. I appreciate your support. Like guys, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, please. So today guys, it's Saturday. It is such a beautiful day, guys. Like I woke up with such a good energy, good way again, guys, but I have a lot of work to do today. Like I have to clean my room, I have to clean the whole house. I'm alone. My mom went to some funeral, so I have to clean the whole house because I have a visitor today. Myself, my friend, I'm gonna do some few videos for YouTube, so I think we're gonna do them in my bedroom. Yeah, I think we're gonna do them in my bedroom. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, so I have to clean the house. I have to make sure that everything is clean. Like I have to pack my clothes because, like guys, I did my laundry a holiday, and it's still there. Like I haven't folded my laundry. Yeah, and now guys, I don't iron my clothes after washing them, guys. I only fold them and then I iron when I need. When like I iron on the go. If I need to wear something, I'm gonna iron it the day ke tlo needang go apara. That's me. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna clean my room with you, and I wanna make a Flying Dutchman today, guys. I wanna taste it. Like guys, I hate onions, ne? But I'm gonna do it. I wanna taste. I wanna see gore young, guys. So guys, without wasting any more time, let me just get into it. Let me clean, guys, and I'm so hungry, but I wanna make sure that I get into something before doing the Dutchman burger. I'm craving a toast, yeah, cheese. Gotta get the cheesy egg. Yeah guys, let's get busy. Bye guys. Hey guys, so guys, I wanna do you remember the last time when I went to, I forgot the name of that place. Okay, yeah, I remember on my birthday we booked somewhere near Mall of Africa, so we bought this wine, Prosecco. Yeah, we bought this wine, yeah, Prosecco. So I didn't throw the bottle away. Yeah, I didn't throw this bottle away because I was thinking of doing a vase kayona. So guys, I'm gonna do a DIY today. Yeah, but it's still gold, ne? I have this. My babe brought me a spray paint, ne? A silver one. So I wanted to spray it. Oh, okay. No, it's not gold. It's green. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna spray paint it. But firstly, I have to. I have to remove this first. Hey guys, I'm back after many hours. We are done doing that makeup tutorial, me and Masiko. So now we're gonna do another video asking each other questions. Yeah, guys.
Yo, just look at our
much.
face.
Too much. I wish someone agare.
Let's go out.
Please.
Wait. Nakarial.
Cheers. 2 more videos together.
Period.
Hey guys, welcome to another day. Today it is a Sunday. I know I last saw you last weekend and I'm so sorry for that. I told you that I can't vlog during the week, so here I am. A weekend happy. Guys, today is Saturday. No, today is Sunday. And today we are marketing Wa Petori. Market Wa Petori in Rusty Dusty, Rustenburg. So guys, theme is splash of blue. And guys, blue. Like guys, I don't have blue clothes. I only have the only things that I have the blue jeans. Yeah, it's blue. The rest, like I'm a gaily. I can do the blue. I have body pink, body orange, body, body nude. I can do blue, man, guys. So at least I got something from Jet yesterday. And I was like, yo, guys, can I know how na blue, how not anything blue, and what I'm theming. And then I went to Jet, and at least I got something, guys. I was just taking chances. My baby went to Waterfall Mall, and video caller. I was asking me, this thing is sharp. And he didn't get anything, for me, a blue. So at least I went to Jet and got myself a crop top, a blue and white. Yeah, you'll see it at Fetso Club. So hey guys, I'm marketing Wa Petori. It's gonna be my first time going there. I know it's a vibe. And I can't wait to go there. So guys, today I just want to fix my hair because so I want to fix the first row and second row, and then get to the first row and second row so that my hair can look fresh, so I don't know if I'll get time to do all of that. We'll see. But now I wanna bath quickly and come back and do my hair. I don't think I'll apply makeup today. I'm not. Yeah guys, no, we'll see each other. No, I don't know if I'll see you at Fetso Club or what, because like Monaco and my bae wants us to go there early. We always go to events late, and we don't get to experience like Monato and we have to be there early today. Like guys, I really want to go there early so that I can see everything, so that I can take proper pictures, So yeah guys, let me not waste time, keep it busy. And I don't think I will be able to talk to you guys because I know music and I'll be copyrighted if you were Tatalilona, guys. So you will excuse me on that one. Yeah, guys, let me go and bath. Mwah. Mwah.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tootsie slides in both ears. Dice feeling on the Las Vegas trip tonight. Slip that on and we might justify. Tonight I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming for a rider. It's that roll myself a now my biggest. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stutter till I die. it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my legs, sending action. These days, no kumbaya. Living in the middle, might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, ain't no bad. Bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned up till I die.
Panga. Ewa ta panga. Ewa ta panga street is pache.
It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like with the chop or the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. Paso plain bear more. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, that's what they fly like helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer. What's up, do? Yeah, go sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know see wait till you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got to money console. Anything you wish me, that be a passion.
That's how it was when we all dated. Time stretched and syncopated. In my full afro and catsuit.
Hey guys, we are at Rustenburg called Wa Petori. Yeah, guys, I can't vlog. I can't talk to you because there's a lot of music, like they're playing music and talk about copyright and so I can't talk to you guys. I'll speak to you guys tomorrow. I'll update you guys everything. Bye.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Guys, I am so tired. I didn't even get a chance to talk to you guys earlier on because there was a lot of copyright. Like they were playing so much music, so there was gonna be copyright. There was long copyright, guys. So now guys, we are at Stairs in Moinoi. They're just grabbing something to eat. Then we're going home, guys. And I've been sleeping the whole way. Alright guys, I'm tired. Hi guys, I'll update you tomorrow morning. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to another day, guys. I'm so excited. Today it is, what day it is today? Oh, today it is a Wednesday, and your girl is so excited, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so excited, guys. Okay, before I don't know if you all know about this app at Temu. It's an online thing. It sells clothes like Shein, Zafo. Yeah, so I got TikTok on somebody. You can get free gift. You got them. You get free gifts by inviting 3 people. You guys, I struggled. And we about 3 people. I invited almost 6 people. And then, I entered my address. And then I got a gift. The gifts are ready for delivery. Okay. And then because I was like, no, let me do another one. I got the gifts today. Thank you to those who downloaded that app, Temu, using my link. Thank you so much, guys. I got my package, guys. I'm a happy girl, guys. Great again. I can't wait. Can't wait to see what it because I've seen many videos about to buy Temu, but disappointed, but really loads of you know. So I wanna see what this one, guys. I'm so happy. But Khadia fella, guys, because I invited people too. So I got the gift too. And first time I ordered, I was just testing the waters. Like and then I just ordered screen protectors, some earrings and some papers. I'll show you guys if they're, I don't know if the gamo or what, but let's see what's in here, guys. Like before, okay, I got the call after work. Barry, I'm waiting. I have your package here. Please direct me. I was like, okay, who direct me? Okay, I directed him. So I was like, but he said it's screen protectors. Auntie Nina. Temu. I ordered some heels, guys. Let me see. I ordered some heels, guys. Let me see for church, but guys, I got these shoes for free. Like for free. Like I just hope that you don't take it. And the heel is so small, and I wanted like a heel guys. Let me see if they fit me. I'll be back. They don't fit me. They don't fit me, guys. You are. Guys, I'm selling these shoes. They are very nice. Like, they are nice. Focus, camera. Yeah. I'll just give them to my mom. Mama ka kene styling in plus t-shirt, ne? Yeah. Let me not stress myself and gift my mom with these heels. I only paid the customs and I got everything for free. Yay! The next item is this bag. didn't know what to add, and then I just added a bag. Right, man. Like a plastic, man. Like it is too plastic. I think I'll also give this one to my mom. A plastic, man. Guys, it has a belt. Like a plastic. I don't know if you get me. Like, and then looking at this wireless headsets. I'll try them out later on of tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome to another day. I know this vlog is long, eh? I don't know if it's long or what, but like I've been vlogging since last week, guys. I need to do something. Hey, like guys, and I feel like this vlog is gonna be long. Anyways, hi guys, welcome to another day. Today it is another Saturday, another weekend, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, guys, but I'm trying my best. Like, I'm trying my best to give content, guys. I'm trying my best to be consistent, guys. So today it is a Saturday, another weekend, another dollar. Okay, guys, today is Saturday. I just woke up. Yeah, I'm going to do my laundry. Like today I have a lot to do. I just unplaited my hair. Yeah, so guys, I'm just gonna wash my hair and wash my wigs. And guys, I received things from Temu. Yeah, guys, I received the wig, heels, AirPods, and what? And a bag, but that bag wasn't nice. I didn't like it, so I gave it to my mom. And the heels, they're a bit small, so I'm gonna give them to my sister. Okay, guys, so now I just want to wash my hair and blow dry it and wash my wig, my new wig. It's a glueless, but like I don't know if I should cut it. I don't know, guys. I've never owned a glueless wig before, so I don't know. I have to cut it bang so that it can look like a glueless wig, because at the moment it needs to be installed. Hey guys, it's but it's fine. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. So at the moment I just want to wash my hair. And my hair, guys. Yeah, guys, let me go and wash my hair, because guys. And my nails, I don't know, the third week or fourth week, I did the things more. Guys, let me go and wash my hair. We'll talk when I come back. Ta-da! Let me to Docas. I look like I look like meh. Yeah, I look like meh. This is my second package from Temu. These are my free gifts, guys. And let me show you the other one. Here I was just testing the waters. Those ones I bought them. I bought a screen protector, some earrings, and some paper. I'll show them to you guys.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you, and my heart can't take no more.
Yeah, these are the papers that I was telling you about. Kitty stickers, actually. You are the light of the world. Oh, Lesedila Lefatsi. I bought this stickers for my Bible, so that I can know Jeremiah. Kikrela guy. Haki bata Isaiah. Kikrela guy. One Kalahai. Doing everything that you do. And here is my screen protector. This one is a privacy screen protector. I think there are 3. Oh, there are only 2 inside. Yeah, and they came with this wipes and dust absorber. Get excited with it. Like, we're taking 2 more packages, 2 more unboxings. Guys, I'm still gonna unbox the next week. You guys, I bought these earrings. I don't like big earrings, but I'll try them out and see if I'm not a fan of this kind of earrings. I was just testing the waters. Now it's time for us to open the big package. Big package for the big baby. Guys, why tripod in Ghana? Like, why? This is a tripod for my YouTube channel. My fan, guys. And I'm gonna install like now, so I'm gonna use it. Oh, but I am happy. It works. Temu. Wow, I love myself a tripod for my YouTube channel, but it is so small. But I'm not complaining. I think I'm gonna use this one every time when I travel because it is very portable. Guys, if I want, I'll see it, but I can't close it. Guys, Matani, I can't close it. I can't fold it. Guys, what was seeing it? Oh, there you go. Yeah, I thought this bag is a bit bigger, but Xoxo isn't it my hala? My visa. Okay, guys, I don't like the bags that go Temu. I think I love almost everything about Xoxo, but the bags I don't love the bags that go Temu. Quality that thing is zero, but this one I think I'm gonna use it and then I'm gonna give it to my mom, like the other one you put in the mouth. I think it's nice. One is this vacuum cleaner. Yeah, it's this vacuum. I got it because I don't know if you saw our couches, they have buttons. So my buttons and I swear I can the buttons inside. That is why I bought this, so that we can easily clean our couches. I am really happy. So guys, Temu decided to see. We love the serious. Oh, but I'm gonna test it. So I'm gonna read it again. Oh, let's go.